It's Saturday. We just left the house. We on the way to the shop. No clue what we're doing today. I don't think we're doing anything to my Mustang today. We might be putting exhaust on the white '07 Mustang. But yeah, I'm gonna go put some cash in the bank so I can order me some wastegates for the car, and then that really should be it, and it's done. So see y'all at the shop, guys. Peace. This thing looked good out in the sun. Got to the shop, it was pulled out. We got Dev's Mustang on the lift, so we're gonna go in there and check it out. Yeah, it already had an X pipe on it, but it was just the X pipe. Now it actually got mufflers on it, a catback. So y'all finna hear what that sounds like when we get it put in. Almost done. We just welding that stuff up. We getting it done, Dev. Stuff is done. About to fire this thing up. About to hear what it sounds like. Dang, those tips do look good though. Yeah, so before it was just the X pipe and nothing after that.
Anybody wants to know what cheap eBay exhaust sounds like?
Yeah, this is super cheap eBay exhaust, but
$189.
$189, guys. But dude, it sounds like trash, and we just want it way too loud. Maybe this will sound better. We better find out. It sounds a lot better.
I like what it sounds.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it sounds a lot better. That's cheap, $189 eBay exhaust. Look, we didn't use all of it. That's the X pipe that came with it. But still, all this, catbacks, everything with mufflers, $180 in it. It sounds all right. It's definitely not the best, but it sounds good. Well, boom, Devin's car. So we going to work on the Mustang. We're just gonna work on it out here because I don't feel like making a mess in the shop. So yeah, we're gonna get the thermostat out, and not the thermostat, just the thermostat housing. Gonna loosen that up, and basically I'm just gonna glue it on, dude, because it keeps leaking. So I think actually I want to turn the car around, but I don't know, man. But y'all see when it's done. All right, well, got thermostat out. Thermostat housing off. It took me a minute because this one's hard to get when the belt is on, because it sits like this and you can't really get it because it's down here. It's a pain in the butt, but I got it. We're gonna RTV that up so it don't leak no more. And yeah, we're gonna get that done real quick. Oh, I know. It's the next day. His brother's birthday's tomorrow. He's getting that truck right there. We're giving it to him today, right?
Yeah.
So, and I'm gonna try and drive the Mustang. What are those?
It's a bow that I'm supposed to put together.
Oh, for the truck?
Yeah.
What do we, like, so what's the plan? Because I can post this tonight.
Oh yeah?
Because he's already getting it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna scoot up in there after they get there, park it, put this bow on it, and hang some balloons from it.
I want to park the Mustang next to it.
That's fine.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna roll up in there, eat. When we get done, we're gonna come out. He's gonna have his truck. Oh, we're gonna take the cruise key. We're gonna throw it, put it in the thing for him, make him think he's getting the cruise. Like, congratulations, you get the cruise.
Dang.
Guess what? I gotta have that backed up because I'm not done with it.
Everybody wants a daily driven though. The daily driven race car.
So that's the plan. So but yeah.
I mean, walk around the truck. It definitely needs a paint job, but look, really? Y'all ain't gonna let him drive it for a little bit?
No, he's gonna drive it, but
Alright. Chris, in the neighborhood?
Yeah, he wants me to fix the exhaust on his Mustang, and he said he'll paint it for free.
Oh, for exhaust work? That's a done deal. But yeah, let's walk around here. Yeah, you see, it just needs paint, dude. It's old. Not really that old, but it's just Ford paint, dude, out in the sun. But yeah, he wanted a truck for his birthday, so he got one. He was actually gonna get the Cruise, but he wants a truck. I don't know how you could want anything other than the Cruise. What, man? Got clean interior. It's nice. How many miles are on this thing? It don't matter. Eyes are fucking hurting. God. Dude, I had to go, bro. My eyes are burning.
Air feels perfect on that thing right
Oh
now.
my God, that is M5, guys, and my nose, I can't breathe.
Ugh.
And my eyes hurt.
Yeah.
Oh.
It hurts. Shut that door.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's the elephant. No, I'm just kidding. That car's called the Headless Horseman, but it looks like an elephant. We going out to eat. Brother's birthday. Taking this thing. All right. Well, see you boys when we get there. Peace. Car is fucking nasty, bro. I like it. Alright, well, she's driving good. Hopefully we don't overheat or something stupid. But yeah, she's driving good. What's up, guys? It's the next day. We're at the shop. The camera died yesterday, so I couldn't really film nothing. But we drove the car all day long, guys, and it worked. So that's good. No No heating problems, nothing. I'm just waiting for those wastegates to come. And after that, we can really get on it. So, excuse me, but we gotta get the hood mounted because it's raining right now. If you could hear it, I don't know if you can. But we gotta get the hood mounted so I can drive it if it does ever rain. And I just don't want all this stuff out. Now I do drive this to school, so I don't want people messing with nothing, pulling stuff off. I mean, it's just a water bottle. They can pull that off. I thought oil was gonna come out of there, but none did. But better be safe than sorry, you know. But if y'all did enjoy that video, just like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace.